Hi dear students, this class I am going to begin with permutations and combinations. In these permutations and combinations, the first idea we are going to discuss is fundamental principles of counting. Fundamental principles of counting. So under that, the first one is fundamental principle of multiplication. So very important idea when we are dealing in the permutations and combinations. At the end you may get a doubt why we are multiplying here, why we have to add. All these confusions has to clear now itself. Okay, so the first one is fundamental principle of multiplication. Suppose you see, I want to travel from Guwahati to Visakhapatnam. I want to travel from Guwahati to Visakhapatnam via Kolkata. Guwahati to Visakhapatnam via Kolkata I want to travel. So from Guwahati to Kolkata there are different ways of transportation is there. One is by air, by road, by train. Whereas from Kolkata to Visakhapatnam we have different ways of transport. One is by air, the other one is by road, by train, and the other one is by the waterway. Now I want to travel from Guwahati to Visakhapatnam via Kolkata. So how many different ways I can travel? So from Guwahati to Kolkata I have three different ways are there. From Kolkata to Visakhapatnam I have four different ways are there. When my journey is completed, when I reach to Visakhapatnam, my journey is completed. Till the completion of our journey, we have to go on multiplication. That is the fundamental principle of multiplication. Till the completion of our process. For what purpose we are moving? Till the completion of our process, we have to go on multiplication. That is the fundamental principle of multiplication. The number of different ways we can travel from Guwahati to Visakhapatnam is equals to 3 into 4, that is equals to 12 different ways we can travel. Like this, A, next A, or that means from Guwahati to Kolkata by air, Kolkata to Visakhapatnam also by air. Next, air road transport, air train, air water transport. So from Guwahati to Kolkata when I am using air, from Kolkata to Visakhapatnam I am having four options: by air, by road, by train, by water. Similarly in R case also same four possibilities. T case also the same possibilities. That's why in every case we have four options. In every case we have four choices. That's why 3 into 4 is the answer. That is the fundamental principle of multiplication. Suppose you see in another example I am discussing. In a class there are 8 boys and 10 girls. The teacher wants to send a boy and a girl to represent the class in a function. The teacher wants to send a boy and a girl to represent the class in a function. Now the teacher has to send one boy, one girl to represent the class in a function. From those 8 boys, she can pick up any boy. From these 10 girls, she can call any girl. These together, they have to go to represent the class in a function. Right? So that's why the number of different ways for the teacher is, because from boys any boy she can select, from 10 girls any one she can choose. Now this 8 into 10 is equals to 80 different ways are there. So if an operation can be performed in m ways, following which a second operation can be performed in n ways, then these two operations in succession can be completed in m into n ways. So that is the fundamental principle of multiplication. At the same time, if you come back to the fundamental principle of addition, when to add. Same example you can see. So there are 8 boys and 10 girls in a class. the teacher wants to send either a boy or a girl. The teacher wants to send either a boy or a girl to represent the class in a function. The number of different ways to her is 8 plus 10. Either a boy or a girl. That means now the teacher has to send only one person at a time. That may be a boy, that may be a girl. That's why 8 plus 10, we have total 18 different possibilities are there. So that is about the fundamental principle of multiplication and the fundamental principle of addition. When to multiply and when to add. Suppose you see 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. So these are the 6 digits. I want to find out a 4-digit number by using these digits when the repetition of the digits is not allowed. I want to find out a 4-digit number by using these digits when the repetition of the digits is not allowed. So we have to find out a 4-digit number. So this is a 4-digit number, right? So this place we have how many options? This place can be filled in how many ways? 6 ways. Because any number we can fill here. He is saying repetition is not allowed. Okay, among these 6 digits, 1 digit is over. This place can be filled in how many ways? Okay, this one also anyway. This place can be filled in 6 ways. This place can be filled in 5 ways. This place can be filled in 4 ways. This place can be filled in 3 ways. Now, the number of different ways is equals to, because this place is filled, this place is filled, this place also filled, this place also filled, then only our process is completed. What is our process? What is our process? Getting a 4-digit number. Here also number, here also number, here also number, in this place also number is there. Then only our target completed. We are getting a 4-digit number. So till the completion of our process, we have to go on multiplication. So that is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 is the answer for number of 4-digit numbers when the repetition of the digits is not allowed. In the same question, if he is asking repetition is allowed, so that means this place can be filled in 6 ways. Because repetition is allowed, the same digit may occur again. There also 6 ways, there also 6 ways, here also you will get 6. 6 into 6 into 6, you will get 6 to the power of 4 is the answer when the repetition of the digits is allowed. Suppose you see, this is the question he is asking, using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8, using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8, number of numbers, using 2, 4, 6, 8, number of numbers that can be formed when the repetition of the digits is not allowed. So using these 4 digits, number of numbers that can be formed by using these 2, 4, 6, 8. So observe here, he is asking number of numbers. With the help of these 4 digits, you may get a single digit numbers. So that's why the number of single digit numbers is equals to 4, because you may get 2 is a number, 4 or 6 or 8. Next, the number of 2 digit numbers is equals to the number of 2 digit numbers. This place can be filled in 4 ways and this place can be filled in 3 ways. That's why we are getting 4 into 3. Next, the number of 3 digit numbers. So this place can be filled in 4 ways, this place can be filled in 3 ways and this place can be filled in 2 ways. That is equals to 4 into 3 into 2. Next we have to find out the number of 4 digit numbers. 4 digit number. This place can be filled in 4 ways, next place can be filled in 3 ways, next place can be filled in 2 ways and next place can be filled in 1 way. That is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Whether you observed or not, because we have to get a 4-digit number. Till the completion of our process, we are going on multiplication. Till the completion of our process, because we require a 3-digit number. Here also number is there, then only our process is completed. That's why 4 into 3 into 2 is the answer for number of 3-digit numbers. This is the answer for number of 2-digit numbers, and this is a 1-digit single digit number. That's why here is a completed process. 4 numbers, here 12 are there, here 4 3s 12 2s 24 are there. Next also we have 24. So now what to do? It is a single digit number over. This is a 2-digit number over. This is a different one, 3-digit number. This is a different one, 4-digit number. The number of numbers means we have to add all these. So that's why 48 plus 12 60, 64 is the answer for number of numbers that can be formed by using the digits 2, 4, 6, 8 when the repetition is not allowed. So in the same question he is asking when repetition is allowed means definitely we can get infinite number of numbers, because 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 like that it may go, because repetition is allowed. That's why in the case of not repetition of the digits we discussed this particular question. So let's have a discussion of another question. He is saying 5 different colored flags are there. 5 different colored flags are there. By using these 5 different colored bags, how many different types of signals we can generate by using 3 flags at a time? So total we have 5 different colored flags are there. At a time we have to use 3 flags. 3 flags we can use. That means 3 different colors we can fill. Among these 5, 3 different colors only we have to fill here. So how many different types of signals we can generate he is asking. This place can be filled in 5 ways. Next this place can be filled in 4 ways. And this place can be filled in 3 ways. So here also flag, here also different colored flag, here also another different colored flag is there. Then only our process of getting a signal will be completed. That's why we have to go on multiplication, that is 5 into 4 into 3. Now another example you can see. I want to fill these 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes with the digits 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 1, 4, 5, 6. With the help of these digits, I want to fill these 5 blank places. Now total how many digits are there for us? Total we have 8 digits are there, some starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits are there. Those 8 digits, 8 different digits can be filled in 5 blank places in how many ways? That means these digits we have to fill in these boxes in how many ways? So total how many digits are there? 8 digits. This place can be filled in 8 ways. This place can be filled in 7 ways. This place can be filled in 6 ways. This place can be filled in 5 ways. This place can be filled in 4 ways. Now observe here. This place can be filled in 8. Next place can be filled in 8 minus 1. Next place can be filled in 8 minus 2 and so on. The last place can be filled in how many ways? 8 minus 5 plus 1 ways. Right? So that's why total we have 5 boxes are there. Those 5 boxes can be filled with 8 distinct numbers in how many ways? 8 into 8 minus 1 into 8 minus 2 into 8 minus 5 plus 1 ways. So this is similarly, suppose I am asking, we have like this, R boxes are there, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. This is the rth box. Okay, these R boxes can be filled with n distinct digits. These are boxes we have to fill with n distinct digits. In how many ways? This can be filled in n ways. The next one can be filled in n minus 1 ways. The next box can be filled in n minus 2 ways. The next box can be filled in n minus 3 ways, and so on. The rth box can be filled in n minus r plus 1 ways. So that is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into and so on, n minus r plus 1. Now what I am doing here is multiplying with n minus r factorial, right? Dividing with n minus r factorial. What I am doing? Multiplying and dividing with n minus r factorial. That means here I am multiplying with n minus r minus 1, n minus r minus 2, and so on up to 1. Right? Multiplying with n minus r factorial and dividing with n minus r factorial. Now the numerator becomes n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Right? So r blank places can be filled with n distinct objects. R blank places can be filled with n distinct objects in how many ways? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into and so on. N minus of r minus 1 plus r minus r plus 1 ways. Now that is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus r factorial ways. Okay. Bye bye.